Nourhanne, thank you for joining us on this episode.
You're welcome. It's a pleasure for me as well.
I'm glad to have you on. And you've been trading for 7 years now.
Yeah.
How did you get into trading?
Okay, actually, I started on the age of 18 years old. And it comes on my mind that how money moves globally and how the financial world is going and the markets and etc. And I was watching so many reels and so many, like everyone, okay? So many reels are coming to the Instagram, through TikTok as well, etc. By coincidence, Corona came, okay? So I start on my house for 1 year. So I took this chance and I start learn about trading, about people, how they are doing, etc. And I want from inside to be a businesswoman. Okay, I like this freedom of financial industry. I start to go deeply in the market. I start to understand how market moves, how money moves, okay? And I like it. I like the freedom. I like once you are making money from your phone, and it was new. That time, like as well, e-commerce comes, a lot of things comes from the phone, or through your phone you can make money. And I like it, and from that I start directly, and I start studying at the same time, making money at the same time. I start my university as well, yeah.
So what made you move to Dubai?
Okay, Dubai, it's Dubai. Actually, because trading is illegal in Algeria, okay, and I want a legal environment, supportive environment. You wanna, I don't know, you wanna find some people who understand what you want, okay, and who can push you to the up, not in the down, okay. And actually, it's really hard as well in Algeria to withdraw your money, etc. Probably structures, etc. I made my research. I was searching, okay, which country I need to go. I was going like through multiple countries, but I found Dubai. Okay, let's go to Dubai. I came here as a vacation. Then once I came, I didn't go back.
Really?
Yeah, I came the first time. I stayed here for a whole year. I did not go back again. And it's very hard for my family, but it's okay. It's okay.
Were there any specific hurdles that you had to overcome as a woman in the trading industry?
Actually, yeah, there were many. To be a young female in a, let's say, in a male-dominated industry, it's very hard, and you need to work twice as hard to take it seriously. I want to challenge the male industry. I wanted to see myself there. Sometimes males, they don't consider women's that she has that power to do that, or they don't have that confidence on her. Because it happened with me one time. I was in my school, and suddenly like came one of the guys. He was like around 40 years old, and he came to me. He told me, "Hi, how are you?" I told him, "Hi." Then he told me, "Where is it, the boss? Can I talk to him?" I told him, "I am here. You can ask me anything." I mean, no, I need the teachers. I told him, "I am teacher as well." Okay, like he was looking to me like this. It's not a male or something like that. Then I told him, "Okay, sit down. I'll show you everything." I'll showed him my background and my historic of trading, etc. And he was literally shocked. He told me, "Oh my God, okay." He told me, "I don't believe it that girls are doing this." But yeah, we are doing this.
So you're not only a trader, you also teach at an academy.
Yeah.
What got you into teaching?
I was so passionate about trading, and I want to know how to deal with money. Like this question comes to my mind, how to deal with money. From that, I start learn trading, and from that I start my career, okay? And regarding that, I understand that people, they need also to go through it. So from that point, like especially young people and females, from that point I start to open a business to teach people, and I opened my first academy in Algeria. And I'm so happy. Why? Because people are learning, and people are making money as well, and you are changing the life of a lot of people, and you are changing situations as well. And especially when like the father or the mother of the clients call you and tell you, "Oh, I'm so proud, thank you so much, come to our house," and they are inviting you, and they are so happy and they are grateful. This like the feels, it's everything.
At what point did you realize you knew enough to begin teaching how to trade?
After a few years of improvement, and after I was teaching my family, okay, like my brothers and friends as well. After seeing the improvement of me, and I start telling me, okay, Nourhanne, go. Every trader cannot teach actually. Why? Because if you are coming to the teaching part, you need to put the message on his mind exactly, and he need to understand what are you like. The message should go directly to him and should really feel it and should really understand what you are saying to him. You need to have skills of teaching first, then later you can give the message to the others. And from that point, I start actually, when I saw the improvement as well of the friends and the people I teach already, that time I thought, okay, let's go and let's start teaching the others. Let's start the career.
At the end of the day, what do you want your students to remember Nourhanne by?
I want them to remember that I'm someone who started from the zero, and I believed on them. And I know as I start from the scratch and I did it, they can as well do it. And because I have that much belief on them.
Well, I had a pleasure spending the day with you.
Thank you.